Here we are at Scarborough Beach in Rhode Island. I've come with my friend Nancy. And here we are building a sandcastle. Oh, everybody's participating. Let's see, who we have there? There goes Nancy! Where are you going? Yes, we are. And what's your... Yes, what are you doing, young man? What are you doing, young man?
I am making drizzle.
That's fantastic. And Daniel, what are you doing? Aha, and we're waiting for the tide to come in, right? Oh, yes. And there's the ocean. And there is the people and the beach. And there's where we put all our stuff.